Turning a blind eye, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to unlock its secrets and make learning a fun and engaging experience. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, to turn a blind eye. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it correctly? Stay with us as we uncover the essence of this phrase, its origins, and its application in modern English. To turn a blind eye refers to the deliberate act of ignoring certain facts or activities. It's when someone chooses not to acknowledge something that they are fully aware of. This expression is often used to describe situations where overlooking certain actions or information could be considered complicit or intentionally negligent. It's important to understand that this phrase carries a connotation of intentional ignorance. It's not about lacking information, but about choosing not to act on it. The phrase, to turn a blind eye, is believed to have originated from a famous incident involving Admiral Horatio Nelson, a British naval hero. During the Battle of Copenhagen in 1801, Nelson, who was partially blind, supposedly ignored a signal to withdraw from his superior by holding his telescope to his blind eye, pretending not to see it. This act of defiance allowed him to continue the battle, which eventually led to a British victory. Nelson's bold decision to turn a blind eye to the retreat order has since become a legendary example of strategic disobedience in the face of adversity. In contemporary English, to turn a blind eye is used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal discourse. Here are a few examples to help you understand its usage. In the workplace, the manager decided to turn a blind eye to the employees leaving early, as it had been an exceptionally busy week. In legal and ethical discussions, society cannot afford to turn a blind eye to corruption if we hope to foster a culture of integrity and accountability. In personal relationships, sometimes, friends turn a blind eye to each other's faults to maintain harmony in the relationship. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can add depth to your conversations and help you convey complex ideas more effectively. We hope this exploration of to turn a blind eye has illuminated not just its meaning and origins but also how it can be applied in various contexts. Phrases like these enrich the English language, offering nuanced ways to express ideas and actions. Keep practicing, and don't turn a blind eye to the opportunity to expand your vocabulary and understanding of English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll unravel more mysteries of the English language together.